Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make a pork and sauerkraut casserole. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us again today. If this is your first time though, please do me a favor. Go down to the corner, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, well you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make a pork and sauerkraut casserole. So let's drop down here and find out what our ingredients are for this. We're going to start out with about 1.5 pounds of boneless pork. We're going to have a medium onion, 2 stalks of celery, about a tablespoon of some minced garlic, 16 ounces of sauerkraut, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, and of course 8 ounces of some cooked egg noodles. Let's start doing our prep. Alright, so I'm going to start out with our onion and our celery first, then we'll go to the pork and do the raw food last. We're going to go ahead and dice up our onion and our celery and put it into the bowl here, and then we'll move on to our pork. So alright, you basically just want to take this and you want to dice it up. You can make it into big chunks or little chunks. It's up to you. It depends on how you want it to cook and how you want to eat it. But we're only going to cook this for 1.5 hours, so I'm going to try to make this as small of a dice as I can without becoming a mince. So okay, we've got our pork now, we've got our celery and our onions, and I've got the garlic. I'm just going to set the garlic right in the bowl with that. We are going to head over to our big pan and we're going to start browning this off. Alright, as we always do, we've got our star players right there in the mise en place. We've got our pork, we've got our onions and celery and garlic, the sauerkraut, and the cream of mushroom soup, and the noodles all ready to go. I've even got a bit of oil for the pork that we are going to brown in this pan right here. So let us begin. Heat is on, medium high. I'm going to put the oil right in there. This is a very easy recipe. All the ingredients will be down in the description box along with a lot of other groovy links. So make some time to check that out while you're watching this video. I even have a spoon to mix everything in that mise en place. So it's good to be prepared, not running around trying to find stuff while you're in the middle of cooking. So let this oil get hot. Alright, go ahead and add our pork in here. And we just want to brown this off with our vegetables. I'm going to go ahead and throw the vegetables in there and let them start doing their thing by adding aroma and flavor into the pork and also help in the browning. And I just want to keep stirring this to evenly brown everything, and also when we see the onions start to turn a little bit of color, that's when we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. So just keep stirring. Okay, well the onions are translucent. They're starting to cook. Celery's starting to soften up a little bit. We are just giving this a head start. So I'm going to go ahead and throw the garlic right in there too. Let that become part of this dish. Oh wow, that smells good. And that's in there. Go ahead with the sauerkraut, you just add that right in. You don't worry about draining it because you want some liquid in here to help kind of thin that soup out a little bit when we add that. Let's go ahead and mix our sauerkraut in there before we put the soup in. We get our soup Talk about your product placement, huh? Alright, we got that all mixed in there. Go ahead and add your 8 ounces of cooked noodles. I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat off on this so I can stir it up here. I'm going to go ahead and finish mixing this up really well. We're going to set up the shot over there on the counter of me putting this into the casserole dish, so let's fade into that. I'm going to spray our casserole dish with some food release just so I'm not scrubbing dishes later. I've got it mixed pretty well. And basically you're just going to take it and dump it right into the pan. I'm sorry, the casserole dish. Make sure you get it all in there. Put the lid on, and we're going to hit this for 350 for an hour and a half. Alright, well there it is. What we're going to do now is we're going to dish this up. I'm going to take some awesome photos of it for social media, lay it into the timeline with some really groovy music, and then we're going to come back and we're going to give this a try. Enjoy the pictures, enjoy the music. Almost has a sweetness to it. It doesn't really taste sauerkrauty. If you think of a sauerkraut, I'm thinking like a Reuben sandwich. You got that cheese in there and you got that kind of a tang and bite of that sauerkraut with the pickled character of it. But this is more sweet and creamy with that soup in there. Try a little bit of the pork. Fall apart tender. Yeah, this is going to be good. Good casserole. Well, I'm not going to take another bite. This is pretty good. Very simple, very easy to make. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out the description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlists I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.